Welcome to Alpha Next Gen Tech India Private Limited, manufacturer and supplier of air conditioning systems and chillers. The company was established in the year 2005 at Noida. We serve to residential and commercial sectors of entire Indian subcontinent. Market-leading prices, excellent shipment modes and competitive prices make us a preferred supplier in the industry. We offer a splendid range of air conditioning systems, industrial chillers and solar products. Our air conditioning systems are widely appreciated in the market. Cassettes, cold room and ductable split ACs are a class apart. We offer industrial chillers that are extremely reliable. We also provide bio-toilet and bio-digester that are best in the industry. Along with that, we offer solar products and HVAC services that are cost-effective. For more information, log on at www.alphanextgen.com.